Okay guys, we are back once again with another unwrapping video here. We have the Blu-ray / DVD combo of Denzel Washington's The Equalizer 2 here, which looks pretty kick-ass. Let's get into it. Careful here. Yeah. Take out the digital code. Okay. So we got the front, an alright cover. We got the side. There's the back. You get, quite a bit of special features there. Right on. The star and the director, of the classic Training Day movie, which I love. And there's the DVD and the Blu-ray. Pretty cool, man. So yep, that's my unboxing there of the Equalizer 2 with Denzel Washington, and I am out of here. Later.